people, it's me, Jackie, barefaced, just waking up. I ain't getting all cute for y'all. Morning routine, right? Let me take a tour with you. Just show you what some things we do early in the morning around here. Showing you tickets. Thank you. This is the day after the storm. Look at my backyard. It's like, ooh. Baby, I don't think I can let you out through this way. We might have to go through downstairs. Wait. She wants to go through this way. No, the door, baby, I don't think so. I don't think so. I might have to go with you through the garage so you could go use the bathroom, okay? Come on, Jazzy. Come on. Come on. I had to put this in. Oh, God. I have to have her use the last snow out here, guys. We had that big snowstorm. Of course, in upstate, you're gonna get it. Come back here, Jazzy. 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 Just find a spot and we'll clean it up. I mean through the back. Hey, Boo-Boo-La. Hey, Midnight. Yeah, baby. I just lost a cat. My little Lefty. He was a sickly cat. So we had him for a good 10 years. Look at it out here, guys. We sure did get a doozy. We did get a doozy. So these are my birds. My quail. I raised these. They produce lots of, I have more than one of these in my garage, and they're so nice to, this one's empty because my husband just made this one. See, they lay eggs. We'll come and get those. We'll come and get these eggs later. I'll raise them for food and for eggs. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. And this is one of my rooms I have as a plant room in here. So I started my plants. I got lots of stuff. This is my scallions. You know, I got lots of plants that I started already here. So when it's time to put them outside, they got a nice start. My dwarf tomatoes. I got peppers here, lots of peppers, and I'm getting some peas and stuff. Snap peas. Everything is starting to grow here. This I brought it in from outside. Okay, because these are perennials, so I didn't want to have to start a new one. Got this cute little plant room, and of course these are like my little nice hobby. I love to garden. Love to garden, guys. Right here, all my baby quails here. Okay, they grow really quickly, guys. They really do. Sooner or later, when they get bigger, but you know, gotta feed them. Give them some more water. So for brunch, my loves, I decided to make some fry bread. And my husband was making some kind of potato and chicken, white chicken breast with onions kind of thing. I don't know what it was, but it was good though. It was really, really good. And I want to record that recipe. So I'm making some fry bread, guys. I'll leave the recipe. It's really easy. I used about 1.5 cups of flour, about a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon and about 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and about 3/4 cups of milk. And of course the dough is going to be sticky, so that's why you saw me folding it the way I was. And you know, until it's going to be a little sticky but tacky, we can still handle it. Get some oil together, baby, and you fry these bad boys. That's why it's called fry bread. And you could do so much with it. And it's really easy. That's why I always tell people, always have some flour, some baking powder in your house. If you have rice, I mean, you will always be able to eat, you know. And these go have them like open tacos. They don't take long to cook at all. At all. You could spread butter on them, jam, dust them with powdered sugar. Just have it just like that with a cup of coffee, a tea in the morning. It's really, really good, you know. But I'll leave the recipe in the description box below, my loves. So hopefully you could follow. I really didn't plan on recording today. I just said, let me just record a boring day at home. Well, actually a nice relaxing day at home when we had that snowstorm. This is what it is. I'm speeding up the process, you know, but these don't take long to cook. Fry or in the oil and stuff. So many things, you know, and it has like this, you know, you could just have them like open. They're called Navajo fry bread. And when I saw the recipe, I was like, okay, so I did it my way. And this is what it is. And we had it. It's cute just to have. My husband enjoys it, you know, especially with that chicken potato pancake thing he made. And they're really light, delicious. Again, dust them with confectioner's sugar. Dunk them in your coffee. You know, I always say this and I'll say it again. Survival foods. Have rice in your house. Have flour. Oil. Once you have stuff like that, you could create food. It's just knowing what to do. You know, and these are absolutely delicious. They are so delicious. And this is like my 3rd time making them within a couple of weeks. Because they're good. They are. You can make open tacos with them. Now I'm just plating it. You know, and they come out so nicely. And they're not greasy. Gag. They are not greasy at all. And I served them up with what my husband had made. Really good. You could even serve them with eggs or what have you. Or just have them just like that as a snack. Really good. I really, really enjoyed this. You know. But that's all day. Here, my little... And these babies right here, they're just playing right now. Hey, babies. You know, they're just playing right now. Just want to give y'all a quick little snapshot of my morning. you know, especially on my weekends because I gotta leave early to go to work, and so forth. But I'll be doing more stuff like this. You know, I think it's important. You know, I guess because I do show my face, but not as much. I think I show my hands more when I'm doing these videos. But I wanted to come on here and just be like, hey, this is me. And you know, sometimes it's a little rough when you're trying to do. Hey, bite babies. It's a little rough when you're trying to. I guess you get a little nervous to do a whole video and show your whole face. So I'm always showing my hands, but this is me. Early in the morning, on the weekend, Sunday morning. You know. So, but guys, I'm gonna let you go. God, these guys are driving me nuts, guys. But we'll talk to you soon. Well, I'll talk to you soon, guys. Ciao.